Good.
First step is take a drill bit. It's number 2 size bit. Take all these screws out. There to be 11 of them. Depending on what kind you have, either this will be a Phillips 3 bit or a T25, depending which one you have. Take those 4 screws off. Take that off. It's kind of clipped right here and in the back. So in the front, you slide this forward a little bit, and it'll slide right off. And then I would just, and this thing's popped out like that. This snaps right back in. Put that back in. Make sure that triangle piece is in there. Do the same thing. Do the front first. Sorry, do the back first. And slide forward, and then just reverse the process. Before you get to put the C-pin on, double check that this is in working order. And then you slide that on and then put the other screws on.